guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana and you can call me Stacks. Today I am going to be doing the startup of Bebe's Locs. She's been bugging me for the longest. I'm gonna lock my hair, I'm gonna lock my hair, I'm gonna lock my hair, can you lock my hair? And I just wanted to let the curls live for the longest as I could. And I finally gave in. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm just sectioning off the sections in the back of her head that I don't want to put in twists because she is going to get a tape up, a line up, whatever you want to call it. And now I'm just parting off the first section in the back. That wasn't as hard as I was making it look, and she's not tender-headed on top of that. So it's okay if it looks like I'm, like yanking and grabbing her by her head really rough. She's fine, I promise. But for these starter locks, I'm gonna put her in a bunch of 2-strand twists. If you don't know what a 2-strand twist is, it's the little hairstyle that your mom used to give you when you were younger with all the bows that make all the noise. You just part a section and you split that section in two and you twist it all the way down to the end like so. And that's just what we're gonna do throughout her whole head. So, like I said, you get your section, part it, you split it in two, and I'm turning them to the right, so I'm putting the left over the right and just going to continue to overlap them and twist them all the way down. But yes, this is Bae. Remember my video, new Bae, who this? This her, this me. Twists are done. We got that part out of the way. This is just what they look like so far. Next, I am going to bleach them and give them some color, give her some dimension to her head. Ouch, that wasn't that hard, I promise. And we're gonna go from there. So I'm just going to be using some BW2 extra strength powder. This is like $1.32 at the beauty supply store. And then I'm going to be using some 40 developer, and this is also just $1 at the beauty supply store. You want your mixture to be like cake mix, so you don't want it to be too watery or too thick. And I'm just going to apply this all over her head in random spots to give her some color, some life, and some dimension, so she just doesn't have one color for hair. Switch it up, have some fun and out your life. This is her first time getting her hair colored, period, so who better to do it than me? And this is the finished product with all the bleach sitting. I let her sit for about 35 minutes at most, I want to say. And this is just a finished outcome. We washed her hair, we deep conditioned and all that good stuff with Aussie Moist. And now I'm just going to go through and oil her scalp and play in her hair and call it a day. But this is really just the end of her hair styling. Thank you guys for watching this video and making it this far. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button down below. Turn on your post notification bell so you never miss another upload from me, and tell a friend to come subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.